Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Rumford, local and long-distance movers near me. In Rumford, 3 Movers is the company to trust if you're moving over a short distance. We have the expertise and neighborhood knowledge to complete the whole process quickly. To successfully complete your local move, you need a company with local experience. Our Rumford movers know the in and out of the city, and this helps us to understand the best routes to avoid delays and traffic congestion. Long-distance relocations are a lot different from shorter distances. Here, you have many more challenges to deal with, and without proper planning, what should run in a day or two may take you weeks to complete. Our Rumford long-distance 3 Movers have a unique formula to use to escape these challenges easily. Here's how we can help you. Customized planning solution, secured packing and loading, and long-distance expertise and reputation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rumford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.